Hello and welcome back. So today we're gonna have a shorter video. It's full of jigsaw puzzles. Well, at least a few. We're gonna start off with this modern version from Disney, and it's a 500 pieces puzzle with the artwork from A New Hope. And well, that's really why I bought it. There's so many puzzles and stuff. So yeah, you can't buy them all, but if they look like this, sure, it can be fun. And then we have these two vintage puzzles. So we have this one from A New Hope, 500 pieces, and yeah, I have tried to put it together. It's a really nice vintage one with Obi-Wan and Vader in the docking bay of the Death Star. And then we have this smaller puzzle from Return of the Jedi. It's only 150 pieces. And yeah, this one is really cool and quite large, as you can see. I do like the artwork here from the shuttle Tidarium, and yeah, it's just fun to have these old vintage puzzles. And that's about it. I said it was going to be a short one, but I will be back with more, so why don't you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.